I'm Hanna, and today I'll tell you how to prepare for your first enduro race.
It's heavy. Yeah, I gotta keep it trendy on my soul. I'm the most selfish person that I know. Here we go, down the rabbit hole. Got a couple carrots around my neck. Self-respect, when you out of line, you put yourself in check. They don't hear me, they don't hear me though. Cycles going round and round and round like a merry.
So for choosing your first enduro race, be aware of the kilometers you're gonna ride and the altitude you're gonna climb. But also remember, you're not going to be alone racing. There's a specific group dynamic which pushes you a lot. So make sure to deeply plan your race weekend. So check out all the times, all the specific times like rollout times, stage times, transfer times, and make sure to make your bike race ready the day before the race. Like for example the stickers or like the tools. So because on the morning of the race day you don't want to forget anything. Take enough water with you, snacks and gels for example. Most races have food and water supply, but maybe not on training day. Think about that. But where to put the things? Of course you have the pockets of your pants, but also you can strap something on the bike, for example the tools or the tube or the cartridges. But my pro tip is to sew a little pocket of some goggles on the back of your pack protection. Or even take a backpack for longer races. What to wear? Don't dress too warm. If you're too hot throughout the day, you're going to lose a lot of energy. So in summertime, shorts, protection and a long sleeve is pretty good. Maybe also take a rain jacket or a wind jacket if it's like the windy and rainy conditions. So it's the first stage of the day. Don't hectic, don't panic. It should give you a good feeling and the pace will increase throughout the day. And don't forget, you should have fun while racing.
To the real me, talking to the young.